Expansion tank is a tank which is used to compensate the level of jacket water of main engine. We can also say a expansion tank as a header tank or gravity tank. It is also known as header or gravity tank. Expansion tank is a part of jacket water cooling system of main engine. There is also expansion tank for auxiliary engine. Let us understand function of expansion tank, what its use. We can understand its function. It is used to find the leakage of cooling water system. That means if any leakage, then the level of expansion tank will increase or decrease. Then how can we know it? We will know it because there is one gauge fitted on the freshwater expansion tank. If level will increase or decrease due to leakage or something else, then we can know easily. Watchkeeper will check gauge glass in their watch. Second function we will say to avoid vapor lock in the system. What it means? If anyhow temperature will be increase more, then vapor will created in the jacket water system. If vapor is created, this vapor is very harmful because due to this vapor, the pump will be lose suction and cooling will not happen properly. Then there is problem to the main engine. So it is very useful to it is used to avoid vapor lock in the system. It is also used as a chemical dosing tank for treatment of jacket water. We will use as a chemical dosing tank. These are all three functions. Let us see what are the mountings fitted on the expansion tank. You will see first fresh water filling valve. In expansion tank we fill fresh water. First fresh water filling valve, second gauge glass, this is air vent, and this is drain valve, and three more connection. This one from turbocharger main engine and one going to the suction to the jacket water system. It is very important to know you that jacket pump takes suction from cooler, not from expansion tank. But one pipe connection is connected to expansion tank to suction line. If leakage happen or something, if level will decrease, then water from expansion tank go to the suction line. Jacket water does not take suction from expansion tank. If level will decrease, then it is used only for compensating the level. If increase or decrease, you can see jacket water always takes suction from cooler. This is cooler for jacket water and it takes suction. And one more line connected to expansion tank. You can see this is expansion tank taking one connection line is to the suction of jacket water, but it takes suction from cooler. Okay, and two more line. If outlet from main engine and turbocharger go to the one line go to the expansion tank for removing vapor. You can see here. This is the mountings fitted. You can see now. Fresh water, drain tank, gauge glass, air vent, and three more pipeline. Now you can easily draw line diagram of expansion tank. This is the line diagram of jacket cooling water system of old ship, in which here two branch go to the turbocharger, one for turbine side cooling, one central cooling of turbine turbocharger, and both come together and in common line go to the from one common line it go to the expansion tank, and from main engine cooling go to the deaerator, and after that it go to the expansion tank for removing vapor. You can see for removing vapor it go to the expansion tank. But now you will not see this connection, two branch on now a shift you will not see. In nowadays you will see like this. This is your expansion tank. You can see air vent, press button, gauge glass, and one connection is going to suction line of jacket cooling water, and jacket water will not take suction from expansion tank, it takes suction from cooler. If anything happen, then it will take level will be compensated by expansion tank. You can see here one line is going to the main engine for cooling of jacket water, and one same line go one another line go to the turbocharger, and it comes and combine with one system, one line, and it go to the deaerator, and after deaerator it will go to the expansion tank. Here turbocharger and from jacket water system one connected and go to the deaerator. But in old ship you will see like this. Here two branch, one for cooling of turbine side and one for center casing. This is the all about expansion tank. You can see.